Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I am going to show you one of my favorite salads and one of the most popular salads on Family Savvy. It's the Ruth's Chris Steakhouse chopped salad copycat recipe. I am all about do ahead and make it easy. Do your lettuce early. Wash it, let it dry, and then chop it, and then put it in the bags and keep it in the fridge. Then you've got mushrooms, so you can always wash and chop these ahead of time, put them back into the bag. And you've got your boiled eggs, but I went ahead and cut them and put my salt and pepper, okay? I bought this already chopped. That is a time saver. And it calls for applewood-smoked bacon. Then I got olives from the salad bar at Publix because we don't typically keep these. I got just enough for the salad and I went ahead and sliced them. Then I got my blue cheese. And then I went ahead and got the tomatoes and I cut them in half. So I did that earlier. And these are heart of palm. And these need to be chilled and they're cold. Okay, and then you're going to have some croutons, just get your favorite. And then these crispy onions. They're fresh gourmet, and I think they're probably at every grocery store, but they're crispy onions with garlic pepper. They're so good. So, this is the dressing. It actually is better if you make it a day or two ahead, but this is like a green goddess, and the recipe is here on the blog because I'm gonna put everything together. And as long as everything is dry and you're gonna stick it straight, don't ever put wet lettuce, but this has been dry. This is iceberg, and I have a big group coming tonight. So I've got this, and then you have spinach. So I'm gonna layer my spinach on top of the iceberg. I also did a little romaine, is I'm going to put the mushrooms. So what we're gonna do now, tomatoes. Okay, so this will be fine for like 2 or 3 hours before guests get here. Okay, now I'm going to add the purple onion. Then I'm going to just put the egg in. And y'all, a lot of people don't like olives, but I just think that they're not really gonna notice. I mean, that's what you get if you go to Ruth's Chris, and it really just works together. But if you've got somebody who just literally cannot stand them, then don't put them. Okay, I've got our blue cheese and then bacon. Okay, and y'all, that's a big bowl, and you see the layers is when guests arrive. I will pour just about that much of the dressing, and then I will toss. I'm not going to toss this right now because I'm just gonna cover this and stick this in the fridge. But I hope that you will make this for your family or for your next party. I promise you it will be a hit. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Thanks so much for stopping by, and y'all have a beautiful day.